Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back to Let's Quest. Got some exciting plans this weekend? Cool. Cancel them. Because this week we're breaking down the top 5 games and apps you can sideload to your Oculus Quest free of charge, which means you're about to have your hands full these next couple of days. Before we get started though, you're gonna wanna make sure you download an app called SideQuest. It's 100% free of charge and makes sideloading content to your headset super duper easy. Next, you're gonna wanna make sure you're signed up as a developer through Oculus. This is also super easy, super free, and super required in order to sideload content. We all good? Awesome. First up, a treat for all you old timers, Quake for Quest is officially available on your standalone headset for sideloading, bringing back all that nostalgia-fueled alien killing you know and love. Players will navigate a labyrinth of familiar corridors as they mow their way through hordes of ravenous alien creatures using shotguns, battle axes, machine guns, just your standard alien killing arsenal. Being able to physically run around the familiar low-poly environments feels absolutely surreal, and the addition of motion control compatibility adds a whole new layer of fun to the original experience. There's even online multiplayer, if you can manage to find other players. Keeping up with everything mid-90s, Virtual Boy Go, an impressive Virtual Boy emulator, is available to sideload onto your Oculus Quest. Offering a small reminder of the struggles us 90s gamers faced back in 1995, users can simply sideload the app, upload any ROM they'd like, and boom! You're playing hit games like, I don't know, Waterworld, I guess. Just make sure you have a Bluetooth-compatible gamepad, as you cannot play this with your touch controller. Moving on to more modern offerings, Pavlov VR is officially confirmed for the Oculus Quest. For real this time. After miscommunications between Oculus and developer Dave Vills, the popular multiplayer VR shooter will be available via the Oculus Quest sometime in the near future. Until then, you can grab a sample of the squad-based action by sideloading the open alpha currently available to all users. The visuals are rough, the clipping is noticeable, but it's still the only real multiplayer military shooter on standalone at the moment. If anything, you can work on your skills a bit so you're ready to kick some ass after the official launch. Moving on, I know I'm probably beating a dead horse here, but for those of you who don't know, AlVR is one of the most important apps you can have sideloaded onto your Quest. Serving as a wireless remote for the Oculus Quest, AlVR allows users to connect their PC computers and stream their favorite Steam VR games directly onto their standalone device, essentially turning it into a PC VR headset, minus the trackers and wires, that is. Again, this app streams Steam VR games remotely, which means you'll still need a PC powerful enough to run VR. Still, if you're looking for a more convenient alternative to your current setup, or already have a beefed up gaming PC, this app is definitely worth checking out. There's also RiftCat, another solid option for wireless PC VR streaming. And finally, there's the popular VR social platform AltSpace VR. Whereas Rec Room often feels like a PG-13 Chuck E. Cheese with zero parental supervision, and VR Chat is, well, VR Chat, AltSpace VR provides a more adult experience, perfect for socializing in organized environments and networking with other professionals during live events. Sometimes you just need a little structure. While the social app has already been confirmed for release on the headset, those eager to chit-chat with civilized adults can sideload the experience onto their headset right now. You can even sign into your existing account and pick up right where you left off. And there you have it, 5 amazing games and apps available for sideloading right now. Again, you're gonna wanna make sure you download SideQuest, super free and super easy, as well as sign up as a developer through Oculus. Super simple, super easy. And that wraps it up for this week, but for everything Oculus Quest, be sure you're subscribed to us here on YouTube, and for everything VR and AR, make sure you're stopping by vrscout.com. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. I will catch you on the next quest.